So brown sugar, verse, chorus, interludes, and the rest of it on top of that cool intro. So basically, we're using just a few chords. We've got the C chord, which is bar chord type 2 at fret 3, and then the F chord, which is bar chord type 1 at fret 1, the B flat chord, which is bar chord type 2 at fret 1, or you could play bar chord type 1 at fret 6 as the B flat. You got this B flat or this B flat. Either will work. So our verses are easy. Keith Richards is doing just like a choppy, funky strum. So basically we've got go call a slave with avocado feet sold in the market down in New Orleans. Sky dog slave, I know we're doing alright. Here and with the wind and just around midnight. Brown sugar, how come you taste so good? Brown sugar, just like a young girl should. So basically, again, you could just do a down, up, 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 here and with the wind and just around midnight. So that was 2 measures on the C, 2 measures on the F, 2 measures on the C, and then we add the 1 measure on the B flat, 1 measure on the C, and then our chorus now is a G for 2 measures, to a C for 2 measures, a G for 2 measures, and a C for 2 measures. Now if you want to replace the G with the cool riff, I like to start on the G note with finger 3, pick it once, then pick it again and slide up to fret 7. Then you've got your first finger here to grab the A string, 5, 7, and then a 5 with vibrato on the D. So the whole riff was brown sugar, and then straight to the C chord, because that riff is taking the place of the 2 measures on the G. So basically, if I were to strum the G and hum that riff, it would be bow, bow, now, 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 brown sugar, how come your day's so good? Brown sugar, just like a young girl should. Now we go to verse 2. Same exact thing. Actually, wait, there's an instrumental between the chorus and verse 2. Instrumental is the second half of the intro where we slid up to the 8. Or, if you wanted, you could do the chords, which would be E flat, ba, na, 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 to C, da, na, 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 A flat, na, na, C, na, na. So it was E flat to C to A flat to B flat to C. And you could use either those chords or the second half of that intro when we slide up to the 8. So we do that just once, then we go into verse 3. Drum beating cold, English blood run hot. Lady of the house wondering where gonna stop. Houseboy know that he doing alright. You should have heard him just around midnight. G. Brown sugar, how come you taste so good? Brown sugar, just like a young girl should. All right, so there's the second chorus. And now we go into the full instrumental. with the sax solo. And that whole instrumental is 5 times with the E flat, the C, A flat, B flat, C, E flat, C, A flat, B flat, C. And he does that 5 times. He does that 4 times. And then after the 4th one, we go directly into the solo, which we haven't done yet. He's always done that instrumental riff with the E flat and the C into the verse. Now he's doing it into the chorus. So in reality, the 2 things that you could do is you could go, this will be the last one of the grouping of 4, E flat, C, A flat, B flat, C. Brown sugar, how come you taste so good? So you're coming right into the riff after the last C in the instrumental. Or if you instead were to do the melody from the beginning for the instrumental part, you do... Brown sugar, how come you taste so good? Another chorus, and then we do verse 3, which is exactly the same as earlier, where we're doing the C chord. I bet your mama was a 10-show queen, and her boyfriend was sweet 16. I'm no schoolboy, but I'm do what I like. You should have heard it just around midnight. Chorus. Brown sugar, how come you taste so good? Brown sugar, just like a black girl should, yeah. And it just keeps looping that as an outro. Brown sugar, how come you taste so good? Yeah, 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 yeah. Brown sugar, just like a young girl should. And there's your ending. Enjoy.